Where are you? How did you get in? How did that bird get in? How do we let the bird out is the question. You know what? Let's open up the windows over here. Maybe he can get out. Because there is a bird in the house. Is that you, Teddy? Are you the bird in the house? How are we going to let that bird out? See, there's a bird right there. And he wants to get out. And we probably should turn off the fan so he doesn't get hit by the fan. Okay, Mr. Bird, what if I chase you out that way? Go. Be free. Go be free. Come on. Go out there. Is that you, Teddy? Is that you? Because look how close you're letting me get to you. I miss you so much. I don't know if that's you or not. But you're so cool. But you can't stay in here because that cat right there is not a nice cat. That is so neat. But don't you think you better go outside? Here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to open up these windows. Watch out. Let me open up this window.